In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize workflows in Goodday. We'll walk through how to adjust your task statuses so they match the real way your team works, instead of forcing your projects into a default setup that doesn't quite fit. First, open Goodday and look to the lower left corner of your screen. There, you'll see your profile name. Go ahead and click on your profile name. This is your entry point into all of your account and organization settings, so you'll use this area often whenever you want to configure how Goodday behaves. Once that menu opens, select Organization Settings. This takes you into the central control panel for your entire workspace, where you can manage things like users, permissions, and, in our case, workflows. Make sure you have the right permissions to change organization level settings. If you don't see this option, you may need an admin to grant you access. Inside Organization Settings, look for the section called Statuses and click on it. Statuses are the building blocks of your workflows. They define each stage a task can move through, from the moment it's created until it's completed or closed. Next, you'll be asked to select a workflow. Goodday can support multiple workflows, for example one for software development, another for marketing campaigns, and so on. Choose the workflow you want to customize. Take a moment to confirm you're editing the correct one, because changes here can affect every project and task that uses this workflow. Now, within that workflow, click on Task. This tells Goodday that you're customizing statuses specifically for tasks. Different item types can sometimes have their own workflows, so this step keeps you focused on the right area. Then, click on the Workflow tab. This is where you can see the current sequence of statuses your tasks move through. You'll get a visual overview of the process, which helps you spot any missing stages or bottlenecks you want to address. To add a new stage, click on the option that says plus add status. This opens up the controls for extending your workflow. From the menu that appears, choose plus new status. This lets you create a brand new custom status rather than reusing an existing one. In the name field, type in the name of your new status. Try to choose something short, clear, and meaningful for your team, like in review or waiting on client. Finally, click on Create Status to save it. Your new status will now appear in the workflow, ready to be used in your projects.